In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then find and select Home Screen and Wallpaper, and now reach Wallpaper. And now you can either pick one from default wallpapers or something from your own gallery. Here you've got it. Actually, these are the same pictures, so let me go back and let's put there something from the default wallpapers, for example this one. Now you can set the blur. Here you can manage it by yourself, and also if you'd like to make the picture scrollable, you can also manage it right here. But I will leave it this way. Tap on confirmation mark then, and finally decide if you want this picture to cover your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. I will choose both. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see, it has been already applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.